Hello storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make a weekly planner worksheet using one of Storyboard that's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now first we are going to pick out a planner that we like. Now I am generally a fairly unorganized person, so I'm going to want to pick something that is going to work well for me. Now I like this row option, so let's go with this. All we do is click the copy template button that's right below, and this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt us to give our template a name. Now you can call yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine template 1 and click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize our template. This is where we get to add characters, items, update the text, whatever changes we want to make. So first I would like to add a character to help me stay on task. So if we go up to our characters menu, and let's stay in adults and find somebody who looks pretty responsible. So we have all these great options, but I think I'm going to go with this character here. So to add a character, just drag and drop into your storyboard. And now we get to customize. This is where we get to update poses, colors, change facial expressions, make any changes that we want. Now I'd like them to be not too excited, not too mean, but stern. So they're going to help me to stay on task. All right, when you have your changes all made, just click the update pose button, and there we go. Now you can move your character anywhere you would like in your storyboard, as well as resize them. So to do that, just drag the corner of the image, and there we go. All right, now I'd like this character to be behind this to-do list row for Monday, because currently they're just blocking it. So to do that, go to your right-hand menu and click Send All the Way to the Back, and then we're going to bring it forward one layer. All right, and there we go. All right, now next is items. Now you can browse the items menu up top here and go through all of these great categories, but if there's something specific that you want, you can use the upper right hand search menu and just type it in. So I'd like to add a phone, which is my main tool to helping me to stay organized. So let's go into the school category and let's grab this phone right here. Just drag and drop into your storyboard just like your character, and let's resize this. It's a little too big. All right, now we can also rotate our item. If you notice, you have a little button above on the top center. Just click and hold and rotate. All right, still a little big. All right, I think that works. Great. Now next is backgrounds. Now I like this rainbow gradient, but let's add in something different just so we can see how it works and see if there's something better that we like. So let's go up to our scenes menu, and I'm going to go over to patterns. We don't have a lot of space here, so let's not have anything too busy. So let's scroll over until we find something we think works. All right, let's try this one right here. We're going to just drag and drop, and with our scene in our storyboard, let's go to stretch to fill. All right, let's go with non-proportional, so that way it fills the entire frame, and click OK. All right, now with our scene in place, let's send this all the way to the back and bring it forward one. And I think that's okay, but I still like the rainbow, so let's delete this. Now, if you want to delete an item or a scene or anything, just make sure your item is clicked on and go to your right-hand menu and just click delete. All right, there we go. Now, last but not least is text. Now, you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes and put in your own words. So let's change the title of this planner to Eric's Weekly Plan. All right, now this text is a little too big, and I think I'd like to change the font as well, because currently it's on 2 lines, it's going outside of our frame, so let's fix that. So to change the text, just highlight, all right, so I just moved this line by accident, and we can go over how to undo something really quick. So if you move something or delete something by accident, all you have to do is just go over to your right-hand menu and click undo. And if you are working on a desktop or a laptop computer, you can do Command-Z or Control-Z, depending on if you're working on a PC or Mac. So let's go back to fixing our title right here. So let's highlight what we want to change, and let's first go with a new font. All right, I like this one. Just click that, and it's still way too big. So let's bring that down. Let's select, I'd say 60 to start. Okay, that works. Now, let's move this up a little bit too. Like I said before, you can move and resize any of your text boxes. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Now, when you're all done making the changes to your template, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button in the bottom right-hand corner. And that is how you make a weekly planner using Storyboard that. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.